Hey again, let me talk in this video about break and continue. So to get started, I will get a new class. I will name it control loop because this thing will use it to control the loops. I have my function. So let's suppose I have for loop, and this for loop have counts, and the counts will be in the range of 1 to 10. And this is my range. So this should be in, that means I'm in this range. So I have values from 1 to 10. Then let me suppose I'm here printing the count value, which is count. Okay, which is now, if you just run it, if you just print line, you'll see values from 1 to 10. Run it, hopefully you will see it from 1 to 10 correctly. So 1 to 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What if I want only to ignore the case of 4? So that means I say, hey, I could do two things. I say, hey, if the count is not equal 4, print this thing. This is one case I could do it. So he will print it for me. He will print all the variable only if it is not 4. Okay, but think about, you have too many line of code. How you will track it? It will be like a little bit hard. You will see it in the second. So that's mean, see, he doesn't see the 4. Or you say no, if the value equal 4, I want equal 4, I want to do continue. Okay, what that mean? That mean when the value before continue, that means he will go back to the loop. He will not run any code after the word continue. So just run it, you will see it. So you will use continue when you don't want to run specific cases of code in the loop. Say continue, I don't want to run that one, continue, and that is. So now, yes, see it. So from 1 you don't see 4. So you don't see 4. How is it? Just break it, debug it, and I will see it. When he be 1, 2, 3, 4, when it be that number, break, and that is. Or continue, and he will continue in the case. So let me see how is it, and we will talk more in break also. So yes, here is it. 4, it's 1, print. 2, print. 3, print. 4, oh, I have condition, continue. Continue, that means he will not execute any line of code after the word continue. He will go back to the loop, going back to the loop. So this is the idea. So yes, this is basic of the continue. What about word of a break? So if you use word of break, that means you want to break. Like he will start printing 1, 2, 3, 4. When he reach 4, he will break the block. That means he will not run any number after 4. If you see, when we had continue, he will continue running other numbers, but only that number he will ignore it. But specific cases you want to break the block of code, you say break it. So like for example, we search a number on the list. When you find the number, you say break. Hey, I find it, no need it. So I say find it, 1, see, 2, 3, now have 4. Break, that means he will break the loop. So he will not continue, he will go to the next. Did you see? So he will just print 1, 2, 3, and then he went break. So when you see the word break, that means he will break the loop that he in. When you see continue, that means he will ignore the code after it. But wait, let me use like more complex test cases. Suppose I have this loop, and suppose I have another loop inside it, which is for loop, okay? Which is count 2 in 1, 2, 5. But you said, okay, you give me these two things and you print this message. But you want to do this, let me print line loop done. This is out the loop. So this is the inside loop, and that is outside loops. I want to see if the value, for example, for count equal to, I want to do a break. Okay, for now, what this code will do, he will come to this loop, then this loop, then when he get to, he will break. The break will make him go outside the loop he is in, but he will continue running. That's mean, I will show you in a second. Like if I run it, he will not break the outside loop, he will break this loop. So because the break will break the first loop he is in, he will not break the outside loop. But think about, you have 3 loops, one inside another, and you want to break from all these loops. How will you break it? It will be a little hard. So if you see now, if you just track it, see 1, when he get 2, he will break. See? 1, count, sorry, I just give it count, so I should give it count 2. That means I'm working on this one, not that one. Internal loop, not outside loop. So yes, waiting a second to see how I could deal with this case and how we could fix it was amazing thing that coming from Kotlin. So let me see seconds what's going on. Yes, here is it. So prints 1, 2, he will break, but he will not break the outside loop. He will break only the internal loop. See, he will continue to that loop. 2, he had 2. Now see the count 2 now. He will not break it, just break the internal one. Now when get to break the internal, continue. So now wait, I want to break this one, the outside. So to break the outside, just give it label. To give it label, just give it, for example, label loop. And here say, hey, I want to break the loop one. That means he will understand you are not want to break the internal one, you want to break the external also. So now if you just rerun it, you will just debug and rerun it again. When he get 2, he will break the external one. So this is a really important part for you to learn how to break loops, because in specific cases, as I told you, maybe you have like 4 loops, one inside another, and you want to break all loops. You just give a label to the one of them, the external one, a break, and you're done. So now see 1, 2. Now he will break the outside also. See, he break everything. So hopefully you understand it. Hopefully this one will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next.